Welcome to the Meritor Automatic Slack Adjuster Installed Angle Check instructional video. To correctly perform automatic brake adjustment on a cam brake, the Meritor Automatic Slack Adjuster must be set at a specific angle between the ASA body and the air chamber pushrod with the brake in a released position. This angle is checked during the ASA installation, when replacing an ASA clevis assembly or an air brake chamber, or when diagnosing a foundation brake problem on a wheel end. There are two methods for checking the correct ASA angle on trucks tractors and one method for checking the correct ASA angle on trailers. On trucks and tractors, the angle can be checked using the correct Meritor ASA template or a tape measure. On trailers, the angle is checked using the correct Meritor ASA template. Let's begin by checking the ASA position on a trailer axle. Use the correct Meritor ASA template, which is the tan-colored template, Meritor publication number TP4787. This template is identified as Meritor Automatic Slack Adjuster Installation Template for trailers with drum brakes. Be safe. Begin every brake service setting the vehicle upright. Park the vehicle on level ground. Put wheel chocks in place. Verify the brakes are cool to the touch. Release the parking brakes and all service brakes. Once the vehicle is set upright, verify all foundation brake components return to a fully released position. The first step is to determine the clevis pin spacing on the brake chamber clevis. The correct clevis for trailer drum brakes must have a spacing dimension of 1.38 inches. Verify this spacing by placing the template over the clevis pins to ensure the pin spacing is 1.38 inches. Next, measure the ASA length using the template as a gauge. This will allow you to select the correct camshaft centering hole in the template. Using a center punch, place the punch tip through the correct template camshaft centering hole and onto the camshaft machine center hole. Verify both of the clevis pin holes in the template align with the clevis pins in the clevis. The 3 points of contact on the template must align with the camshaft machine center hole and both clevis pins in order for the ASA setup angle to be correct. On trucks and tractors, the ASA angle can be checked using the correct Meritor ASA template or a tape measure. Begin by checking the ASA position on a truck tractor using the template method. Use the correct Meritor ASA template from the two templates available for truck tractors. TP4786 is colored dark brown for trucks and tractors with a 1.38 inch clevis pin spacing, and TP10130 is colored gray for trucks and tractors with a 1.30 inch clevis pin spacing. These templates are identified as Meritor Automatic Slack Adjuster Installation Template for trucks tractors with drum brakes with 1.38 inch hole clevis, and Meritor Automatic Slack Adjuster Installation Template for trucks tractors with drum brakes with 1.30 inch hole clevis. The procedure for checking the ASA position on a truck tractor is as follows. First, determine the clevis pin spacing on the clevis, either 1.38 or 1.30 inches, and select the correct template to use for the check. Second, align the holes in the template with the camshaft center line and two clevis pins. The 3 points of contact on the template must align with the camshaft machine center hole and both clevis pins in order for the ASA setup angle to be correct. If a template is not available for a truck tractor, you can measure the brake slack adjuster position, or BSAP, with a tape measure. First, verify the chamber bracket offset is 3.75 inches to 3.81 inches. This is measured from the center line of the camshaft to the mounting surface of the chamber bracket. Then, measure the length of the slack adjuster. This is the distance between the center line of the camshaft to the center line of the large clevis pin. Now, measure clevis pin spacing with a vernier caliper. Verify the brake is fully released. Using the tape measure, measure the distance from the large clevis pin center line to the chamber bracket mounting surface on the brake chamber. The BSAP dimension must be 2.25 inches, 2.75 inches, or 2.62 inches, depending upon clevis pin spacing and slack adjuster length, as shown in the chart from Meritor Maintenance Manual 4, Cam Brake and Automatic Slack Adjusters. Note: for any other bracket offsets, refer to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications for the correct BSAP dimension. Thanks for watching the Meritor Automatic Slack Adjuster Installed Angle Check instructional video.